friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing something fun. We are doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. Yay! So this is one of those days where I film a video and I look like a hobo, but I'm gonna open some cute clothes and we're gonna try them on and see how they look on my body. Welcome. Yeah, I'm leaving to go on a trip to Michigan in like 12 hours, so I have to film this video, and that's all there really is to it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into what I got in my August Stitch Fix this month. Alright, so the first thing on top of the pile is this really cute light blue racerback tank top in kind of this like sage light blue color, and this is from the brand FP Movement. It's the blissed out tank in light green, size small. I definitely will say in person it definitely has more of a blue undertone than a green. I'm not quite sure how it's picking up on camera. But yeah, this looks really cute. Again, pretty standard racerback. It looks kind of cropped, so we'll have to see what this looks like on my body. And as always, I will be doing a try on portion at the end of this video so you guys can see what everything looks like on me. Next, we have a really cute tank top from the brand Lush, which I've gotten a couple things from their brand before. And this is a really cute basic black tank top with this really cute like tie detail on the front. I actually really like this, I'm not gonna lie. And this again is from the brand Lush, and this is their Clotty cami blouse in black, size small. Super cute. Again, we'll try this on. Sometimes these kind of more like chiffon-y material tank tops sometimes work on me, and sometimes my boobs are too big and they don't fit. So we'll see which one this one goes. I really actually kind of hope this fits because it's really cute. Next, we have another really cute summery type top. This is a like t-shirt, kind of sheer front tie with this really cute like daisy pattern on it, blue and white, like a navy and blue. And this is also from Lush. I will say I really like their stuff from Lush. And this is the Lush Cher Lattice trim tie front blouse in navy, size small. Super cute, very flowy sleeves. Again, more of that kind of chiffon-y material, which sometimes works really well on my body and sometimes is just like way too tight. So we will see how that looks. And also on around the border of this, as you can see, is kind of like the lattice material that goes all the way down the front too. Cute. Again, just kind of a little bit sheer. Okay, next we have something that looks super cute and I'm really excited about. This is a really cute wrap style dress. It's like kind of got a high-low to it, which looks really cute and comfy. And this is from the brand Fortune and Ivy. It's their Irene Faux wrap dress, brushed knit maxi dress in green, size small. So super cute. Again, more of like a heavier material, so I don't know how breathable this would be for the summer, but it looks really cute, so I'm excited to try it on. And the last thing that we have in my box for this month is a pair of skinny jeans. These are from the brand Liverpool, which I think I have tried from them before, I'm pretty sure. I will be honest, these look really small, but I'm excited to try them. I love skinny jeans. I'm a millennial. Come at me. I have a middle part. I'm halfway there. But these are the Liverpool Kaylee skinny jean Echo in Indigo, size 0. So I don't know if I'm a size 0 anymore, but these look pretty stretchy, so I think we're gonna go ahead and give them a try. And I'm excited because, again, I love me a very basic blue skinny jean. You can't go wrong, you really can't. So there you go. Alright guys, so that is everything I got in my August Stitch Fix for the month. Now let's go ahead and jump into the try on portion of the video. month in my August Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I will be leaving a code down below if you guys want to try Stitch Fix for yourself and get $25 off your order. It's a great service. I've been using it for years, so I hope you guys will check it out. Other than that, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!